Hi, Praveen. How are
Hi.
you?
Good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Thank you for doing this for us. Just a couple questions, okay?
Sure.
All right. So, you can just tell us what initially brought you to our office.
Sure. My wife referred you guys to me. She used to work at House, and I guess your office at Medford was closer to our place, so she recommended you guys to me.
Perfect. And then, if you could just tell us why did you choose our office for your treatment?
It was closer to my workplace too way back then, and if my wife recommends, I'm going to follow it because I know it's going to be right.
Excellent. And then, can you just tell us what specific procedures have you done in our office?
I've done a few of the root canals. I did a few crowns. I got my wisdom teeth pulled out way back in Medford, and then when you guys moved here, I had a break for a few years, and I came back here, and the front and the lower teeth, was done. So those were the procedures. I can recollect those.
So you had the front, the top,
Correct.
and how many do you have in the top, the crowns?
I can't remember. I want to say 7.
7.
I don't remember exactly.
Perfect. All right. And then, how did you feel about yourself after the procedures were complete?
I felt fine. Really fine. Felt nice. I felt happy that finally I could smile.
Yes.
It was a welcome relief.
And then, what advice would you give to other patients looking for similar treatment?
It does take time. Nothing happens overnight. You have to be patient and you have to go through the process. Dr. Clancy knows what he's doing. You just have to trust and go through the procedures, the processes, and Leslie too is awesome. So as long as you trust them and not expect things to happen overnight, it always works out.
Great. And so, what are some of the things you would say to friends and family that are also looking to seek treatment at our office?
I would say that there's the cost side of it, and then there's the other side of it, which is cost plus a long term. Because I went and spoke to several dentists before I decided to come to do my front and bottom, or the top and the bottom, or lower. It could be less inexpensive in certain areas, but not much of long term is thought about. Here, what I loved about Dr. Clancy and Leslie is there was a long term thought process always given based on the treatment that they suggested. So that's what I would recommend. If you want long term goals to be satisfied as well as make sure you have a good smile, this is the place to come.
Oh, thanks so much. And then, would you recommend us to your family and friends?
Yes, I would. My family already comes here. My wife comes here. I come here. I have 2 sons, but they are young. They go to the children's dentistry in Medford.
But eventually they'll come here, right?
That's correct. Yes, I hope so.
All right, excellent. Thank you so much, Praveen. We appreciate you doing it for us.
Thank you.